Hi guys, welcome to task 4. And in this task, we will be uploading your documents from your other devices or your USB into your Google Drive. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So now remember, when we're uploading our documents into Google Drive, this is our school account. So please only upload your school documents and your school photos and Drive can take any kinds of files. So we can do PDFs, videos, pictures, documents, whatever your heart desires, we can get it in our Google Drive. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go up here to New. And when I click that, you see options that we have discussed earlier. And we can upload a file or we can upload a folder. Now, file is going to be more tedious. You're going to have to do one file at a time. But you can also upload through folder, and that's what we're going to do first. Okay, so if you've kept everything very clean in your documents and everything filed under a folder, this is going to be really good because when you upload that folder, it's going to keep the same organization as you had in the other location that you had it. So I know that we are all still getting used to our MacBooks, and this would look a little different if you were using just a normal PC. So I'm going to go ahead and click Folder Upload. Now you can see with our MacBooks, you have your recents, your apps, your desktop, your downloads. So what I have done is I took my files from my old PC and I put them on a USB. So that's how you're going to be uploading your documents here. So, and for some reason, my USB that I have here is called No Name. So I'm going to click here on my USB and I'm going to click Upload. Okay, and then you'll get a box at the top that tells you there's 13 files to this site. This will upload the files from No Name. Only do this if you trust your site. So I'm going to absolutely do that. And you'll notice that I get a new folder. And again, in alphabetical order because everything in Drive is in alphabetical order. And down here to the left, it shows you the time you have remaining and how many files have been uploaded. Now, I didn't choose a large file just because just for showing you the purpose of showing you how to do this. I wanted to show get something that's smaller. So you have your pop-up. It's telling you how much time is remaining and what is actually happening now. Okay, and like I said, you can click on there on the folder and everything that you had in that file, which only one file is downloaded so far, but you will have everything exactly the same way that you had it organized in your other location. Okay, with that being said, we are now going to upload just a file, just to show you the difference in uploading a file in a folder. So if you go to New again and then do File Upload, I can go to Documents and I'll just choose, this is one of my school papers. This is not something I would want to, this is for my college class. But say I wanted to upload this file, I would click the file and do Open. Okay. The name of that was Reading Reflection 7. So I would look at my files to see if it's downloaded and everything again in alphabetical order. Still loading here. But I could go all the way down to the R's. Well, lots of stuff on here. And I could see my Reading Reflection 7 would be copied and put into my files in alphabetical order. I'm just trying to get down there to show you that. We're almost there. Ooh, there it is. So it's Reading Reflection 7. There's the file that has downloaded. And one more thing I wanted to show you with uploading files. If you go to a location, you don't want to do the entire folder, but you'll notice that, say you wanted to upload all of this. So I would click here, click, and if you just click, it shows it only lets you do one at a time. So in the way to get by with getting more than that, you can hit Command on your MacBook, hold it down, and select all the files that you want. So by doing that, you can go through and get what files that you do want to transfer, and then the ones that you don't have to take. So then you would hit open, and those two would go alphabetically in your file folder. Now it's your turn. Go into your Google Drive, and most of you are going to use that USB to get your files that we had stored from your old device. So you can go ahead and do that. And if you have already created folders throughout your in your MacBook, those will be done exactly the same way.